Hello student, I am Sangeeta Mansukhani and this video for class 12th, and in this video I am going to tell you about chapter number 10th, haloalkanes and haloarenes. This chapter in part 2nd. This chapter already explained in the class before the lockdown, but today again I start this chapter as a revision way, because this chapter related completely reaction way. So again I start this chapter and 2 and 3 topics remain that time. So for this reason again I start this chapter. So properly you have to see, and already you have a notes. So start chapter number 10th, haloalkanes and haloarenes. Its also name is organohalogen compound. Organohalogen compound, that is means those compound in which halogen present. There are two types way. Halogen represents symbolic way X. If halogen attach with alkyl group R, so it is known as haloalkanes. Halogen attach at which benzene ring, so it is known as haloarene. Okay, otherwise we have to say alkane way RH. Okay, first example of alkane RH, CH4 methane. So when replacement of hydrogen atom by halogen, so here you see CH4, so one hydrogen replaced by halogen, so is CH3X. So replacement of the hydrogen by halogen atom in aliphatic hydrocarbon, so it is known as haloalkane. And aromatic you have to see aromatic ring and aromatic ring benzene C6H6. So here you see hydrogen replaced by halogen and halogen attached, so it is known as halo and benzene, so halobenzene. So replacement of hydrogen atom by halogen atom in aliphatic hydrocarbon, it is known as haloalkane, and halogen atom attached with benzene ring, so it is known as haloarene. Okay, here you see 4 hydrogen single by single bond attached, so it is sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and here double bond, because in benzene ring you have to already see this way double bond present, so it is in haloarene sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Okay, then application and use of haloalkane and haloarene. See, its use in everyday life as solvent for non-polar compounds, as starting materials for the synthesis of wide range of organic compounds, chlorine containing antibiotic chloramphenicol produced by microorganisms used in treatment of typhoid. Then our body produces iodine containing hormone thyroxine, and its deficiency causes disease called goitre. Then synthetic halogen compound like chloroquinone used for treatment of malaria. Then halothane used as an anesthetic during surgery. And then 7 fully fluorinated compound are considered as a potential blood substitutes in surgery. So these are application uses of haloalkane and haloarene. Then next, classification. Classification we have to discuss here. These topics in this chapter: classification, nomenclature, nature of CX bond, preparation of haloalkane, preparation of haloarene, physical properties, chemical properties, and polyhalogen compounds. So these 8 points of haloalkane and haloarene. So first I discussed classification. Classification on the basis of first, number of halogen atom, second, containing sp3 carbon halogen atom, and third, sp2 carbon halogen atom. First, number of halogen atom, there are 3 types. First, monohalogen, second, dihalogen compound, and third is polyhalogen compound. First is monohalogen compound, that is means only one halogen attached. So one halogen attached, so like CH3X, C2H5X, so it is a monohalogen atom. Okay, and dihalogen compound, that is means two halogen attached with carbon atom, like CH2X, CH2X. So here two halogen and two halogen attached in benzene ring, so it is a dihalogen compound. Third is polyhalogen compound, more than two halogen, 1, 2, 3, more than two halogen compound attached in ring, so attached with carbon chain, so CH2X, CHX, CH2X, and otherwise attached with benzene ring, so it is known as polyhalogen compound. So these are on the basis of number of halogen atom, monohalogen, dihalogen, and third polyhalogen compound. Then second, classification on the basis of the compounds containing sp3 carbon halogen compound. sp3 carbon halogen compound, like first haloalkane and second one allylic halides. Haloalkanes, allylic halides, and third benzylic halides. So first is compound containing sp3 carbon halogen atom, haloalkanes, like alkyl halides. Already I explained. Alkene general formula is CnH2n plus 2. And if halogen attached, so one hydrogen replaced, so formula is CnH2n plus 1 X. Okay, so it's three types category: 1 degree alkyl halide, 2 degree alkyl halide, and 3 degree alkyl halide. So halogen attached to the first carbon atom, like see, halogen attached this carbon and this carbon attach only single alkyl group, here hydrogen. Okay, so halogen attach this carbon and this carbon attach only one alkyl group, so it is known as 1 degree carbon atom. Halogen attach this carbon and this carbon attach two alkyl groups, so it is known as 2 degree carbon atom. Halogen attach this carbon and this carbon attach three alkyl group, 1, 2, and 3. So there are three type category: 1 degree carbon atom, 2 degree carbon atom, and 3 degree carbon atoms. This is the first category, haloalkanes, alkyl halides. Second one, allylic halides. Here you see, halogen attach this carbon, bonded this carbon as a 4 sigma bond, 1, 2 hydrogen, 3, and then single bond, 4 single bond, that is means sp3 hybridization. So halogen attach this sp3 hybridized carbon atom and this carbon atom adjacent to the carbon double bond carbon, so it is a allylic carbon, and these halides are known as allylic halides. And if this condition in the aromatic ring, see, halogen attach this carbon and this carbon have 1, 2, 3, and then CH, so 4 single bond, sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and adjacent to the carbon double bond carbon, so it is known as allylic halides. Third is benzylic halides. So halogen atom bonded to an sp3 hybridized carbon atom and attached to the aromatic ring, like see, this halogen attached this carbon and this carbon attached with benzene ring, so it is known as benzylic halide. And here you see, halogen attached this carbon and this carbon attached benzene ring, so it is also benzylic. So according to the compounds containing sp3 carbon halogen bonds, so three categories: haloalkanes, allylic halides, and benzylic halides. Then third category is sp2 carbon halogen bonds, so it is two types: vinylic and aryl halides. So vinylic halides, see, the halogen directly attach carbon double bond carbon, so halogen atom bonded to the carbon double bond carbon, so here you see CH, so 1 sigma bond, 2 and 3 sigma bond, that is means sp2 hybridized carbon atom. So halogen atom attached with the sp2 hybridized carbon atom, so it is known as vinylic halide. Here you see, halogen attached directly carbon double bond carbon. so it is known as vinylic. Then second, aryl halide. Halogen directly bonded to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom, so it is known as aryl halide. Okay, like C. Halogen attached with benzene ring. Okay, so it is known as aryl halide. So number of halogen atom containing 3 types: one monohalogen, dihalogen compound, polyhalogen compound. Then compounds containing sp3 carbon halogen atom, 3 category: haloalkanes, allylic halides, benzylic halides. And sp2 carbon halogen bonds, 2 types: vinylic and aryl halides. Number of halogen atom: monohalogen, 1 halogen atom attached; dihalogen compound, 2 halogen atom attached; polyhalogen, more than 2 halogen atom attached. Containing sp3 carbon halogen bonds, first haloalkane, like 3 category: 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree. Halogen attach this carbon and this carbon attach one alkyl group. 1 degree alkyl halide. Halogen atom attach this carbon and attach 2 alkyl groups. 2 degree carbon atom. Halogen atom attach this carbon and this carbon attach 3 alkyl group. So it is known as 3 degree carbon atom. Allylic, halogen attach sp3 carbon atom and this sp3 carbon atom adjacent to carbon double bond carbon. So it is known as allylic halides. Then benzylic, halogen atom bonded to the sp3 carbon atom, but this carbon atom attached with benzene. So it is known as benzylic halides. Then third category on classification on the basis sp2 carbon halogen bonds. So 2 types: vinylic, halogen atom bonded to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom, so it is known as vinylic. And second one, aryl halide, halogen directly bonded to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. See, so this is the first topic cover, classification. So in next video, next topic I will be explain. Thank you so much.